Amen. O Lord, let them rise from their indolence. Let them believe in the Lord of the universe. The young and the old, the poor and the rich. For I believe in you as the Lord of the universe. O Lord, push me into yoga, encapsulation of the life energy. In the breath, in the look, in the food, and in dementia. Amen. The medical science proclaims that Alzheimer's disease, as the damage to the brain cells, the neurological disease, and the loss of memory. Alzheimer's disease ends in behavioral changes, poor judgment, control and concentration, inactive brain function, inert nerves, rigid bone joints, stagnant blood flow in every tiny arteries and blood vessels, incomplete oxygen absorption in millions of active cells in the skull and other parts of the body, all due to inactivity of the working parts of the body, inconclusive food, breathing. Alzheimer's disease is the most common form of dementia, the general degradation in memory power and other capabilities. Amen. Amen. Drugs cannot regain lost energy. Drugs cannot regain memory power. Nerve inaction. Drugs cause further deterioration of nerves. Drugs, surgery, equipment, hospitalization, cadaver transplant is dependent on side effects, rejection, middlemen, and further deterioration of living cells. Life energy. Yoga is the encapsulation of life energy, rejuvenation of mind, nerves, glands, heart, bone joints, ligaments, and every cell in the body. Yoga is energizing the blood flow with green leaves, germinated seedlings, fermented, easily digestible whole grain, intake of excessive fiber food. Yoga is a purification of blood, smooth flow of blood, slow resurrection. Yoga is nerve rejuvenation, nerve alertness, muscle flexibility, bone joint flexibility, eye sharpness, and sharpness of every sense in the body. Yoga, pranayama, meditation, food practices, and good social living practices. The YPMFS practices suggested at Pachari Yoga International Trust, the non-profit legal entity, is aimed at mass rejuvenation program far away from dementia. YPMFS practices from 16 to 60 is the negation of Alzheimer's, a negation of brain inactivity, nerve numbness, junk food. It is the caregiver for progressive memory loss. YPMFS practices from 40 to 50 corrects nerve signals and prevents incorrect reverse signals in nerves, muscles, glands and the active parts of the body. YPMFS practices from 50 to 60 believes in resting yoga, in breathing, in simple movement of every part of the body. Believes in a static yoga concept, easy, cheap, simple time pass activity of daily life in yoga. YPMFS practices in all ages is a complementary path to prevent obesity, asthma, allergy, arthritis, diabetes, weight gain, cancerous tumor, cancerous cell growth, molecular inactivity in Alzheimer's, Parkinson and many more diseases. Amen. Downtrodden, inactive million mass of the global population differ widely in their response to stimuli. These inactive men are understood to live only to die with mental, bodily and social problems. Unlike the active man. The active man will understand and believe in yoga concept to forestall drug abuse, drug mongering, side effects, middlemen, surgery and equipment. Yoga concept slashes fast money and profiting. YPMFS postulations is the first gate to 21st century yoga that is Alzheimer friendly.